this is Patrick. You're watching Tesla Trip, and welcome to some more Tesla news. Elon just tweeted out that there's a new version of firmware 9.0 rolling out soon in North America, and that there'll be autopilot improvements. In a reply, Fred Lambert from Electrek asked, "Is this going to just be general improvements, or is this going to be the drive on nav feature where it's going to follow the directions from the navigation system on autopilot?" And Elon said that it would be the former. So that's cool. This means that this is going to be the first consumer vehicle that can follow directions from a navigation system without user input. So you can say, like, I want to go to work. And once you get on the interstate, it'll take all the exits if you transfer from one interstate to another, on-ramp to off-ramp. This is like the big thing that we've been waiting for. A huge step towards autonomous driving. Although, you still got to be behind the wheel, and you may have to confirm the lane changes. At this point, it isn't clear on whether or not that's going to be necessary or an option that you can turn on or off. We'll see, hopefully really soon. So, rolling out soon. Woohoo! Yeah, Elon was also answering a bunch of questions on Twitter, such as a dog mode. He confirmed that that's coming soon, where you can put a Tesla to play music with the AC on and display a little note saying, "I'm fine, my owner will be right back." People kind of already do this with camper mode, where you can turn on the AC when you're out of the car, but there's no real note or any way letting people know that, it's a comfy 70 degrees inside the vehicle. I wouldn't recommend leaving a dog in a car for a long period of time unattended, but I guess maybe my dog's not as well behaved as yours. People do this now, and they leave little notes in the window that say basically the same thing. But yeah, otherwise, someone might break your window if they see your dog in there thinking that it's going to fry. It was also asked if there could be a leaderboard for the Atari games, and Elon said sure. So that's cool. Over the weekend, they changed the referral program, and instead of doing a $100 credit for new Teslas, it's now a 6-month unlimited free supercharging. So it's pretty much the same as always. You can use a code like mine, Patrick4254, and it'll work on any Tesla now. It doesn't matter which version that you get. You'll get that free 6 months of unlimited supercharging. So that's pretty cool. You can get it with the new Model 3 mid-range. Man, I still can't believe that. I mean, like over in Colorado, you can get this thing for under $35,000 after your incentives or tax credits. Last thing, another episode probably coming out later this week because Tesla's going to post their financials on Wednesday. And if you want to tune into that live, I've got a link down below where you can hear Elon give kind of an update on their sales numbers for the quarter and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to talk to you guys again soon. Please subscribe, click the notification bell, lets me know that you are watching. Bye.